Hi there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are. My name is Heng from Hitachi High-Tech Analytical Science. And next to me here is our coating thickness measurement XRF, the X-Strata920 SDD. The X-Strata series is built on the strong legacy of the CMI series, which has been a trusted workhorse for years to provide accurate coating thickness results. It now comes with a SDD detector to enable it to measure even thinner coatings with greater stability and precision. The reliable hardware and intuitive software ensures that any operator will be able to obtain consistent and repeatable results. With its ability to quickly and precisely measure up to 5 layers simultaneously, the X-Strata920 is popular with the PCB, electronics, and metal finishing markets. These markets are where sub-microns measurement can be the difference between achieving plating targets or causing a product failure. The X-Strata920 comes in 5 different configurations to accommodate parts of any shapes or sizes while being extremely friendly to your budget. What we have here is a slotted chamber with programmable XY stage. So it offers very easy stage programmability and comes with customizable reporting so that you are able to access all your data as you need it. We'll show you a quick demo of the X-Strata920 SDD today. So what we have here, I'll just run you through a quick setup that we have here. This is the X-Strata920 SDD with the XY table and a slotted chamber. We have the CPU over there. We have a nice space for you to put your monitor should you want to. A mouse pad here, your keyboard and mouse can go on top. So we first turn on the system. There's a key here to lock the system. We turn on the system. As you can see, there are a few safety interlocks on the system itself. The X-ray on light is here to show you that the X-ray is turned on. You have your door here. When you lift the door, the XY table will move towards you. So there's an emergency stop button here. So to enter the software, we need to put in a password. And once you are in, the system will begin to initialize. So once you are in the software, if you lift the door, the table will come out for easy loading of your samples. There's a pre-positioning laser. So once you place your sample on to where the laser points to, you can close the door. And the table will automatically move the sample to your camera field of view. You can get your samples in focus quickly just by a click of a button. Right? And your mouse click enables you to move the stage around as well. Alright? So, to start measuring a sample, we need to create a new calibration. Just as an example here, we will start with a Cal FP calibration here, and we click New. So it brings out a periodic table, or if you like, you can list the elements in the list, like this. I prefer the periodic table, and you can select. Just for example, we'll do a typical coating systems, a gold, nickel, copper base. You click OK, and it will ask you to choose a gold, nickel, copper or gold, nickel, copper tin. Depending on how thin your gold is, you will select the correct rule and click OK, and it brings you into a screen where you will key in parameters, standards, and so on to create your calibration. So I have 2 predefined calibrations here. For example, today, one is a typical gold, nickel, copper. The other one is a typical zinc over copper as well. So we select the gold, nickel, copper, and it brings you over here. You can see it tells you what application you have selected. Over here, you can select or key in the measurement time. All right. And actually you're good to go. Make sure your laser is in focus. and you just click go. So after your measurement is completed, the measurement result will be shown here, and below it you get to select a couple of statistics to show a gold, nickel, or summary. So it gives you the stats in the one glance on the software itself. So we move to a typical zinc copper plating sample. So similarly, you put the sample here, close it, the table will move the sample into our camera focus. Again, we move the focus, check the laser, and as I've already configured this into a quick shortcut link button here, I just click and the application will load for me and I can just run the measurement. I'm running a 20-second measurement for a zinc copper, which it's more than sufficient, but let's see what it shows us. So we have done a 5 times repetition for the results, and you can see it's shown over here. Similarly, in the statistics window, you can choose to see the elements, the summary, and so on. So we'll show you quickly how easy it is to program our XY table. So once you have selected your correct measuring position, you just click here. Move to your next position. And the next one, and click your next measurement point. And next one here. As an example, I save a map just to show you. So you can load your predefined map, and to see if the program is working, you can just have a preview. So here you go, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So when the XY program and measurement is running at the same time, it will move to each position, measure the position at the accurate measurement that you have set, and then move to the next point and measure again until the XY program is complete.
Unfortunately, the global situation now does not allow us to have face-to-face meetings with you. But we would still like to offer you the opportunity to see the X-Strata920 in action and ask questions about your application virtually. If you send us your samples, we can conduct a one-to-one introduction to the system and run live demos specifically catered to your application. Our experts then will answer any remaining question you have, whether it's regarding to the X-Strata920 or regarding to your samples. We will also give tips and advice for optimizing the analyzer to get accurate coating thickness results for your samples. So, contact us below and we look forward to hearing from you soon.